Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty with a controller. First, ensure your controller is properly connected to your console or PC. Next, navigate to the in-game settings menu. Here, you'll want to fine-tune your look sensitivity, typically starting around a value of 6 or 7, and then personalize your button mapping. This foundational setup is crucial for a comfortable and responsive gaming experience. Mastering movement is key to survival. Use tactical sprint to quickly cover ground, but be mindful of your stamina. Practice slide canceling by pressing crouch twice while sprinting. This helps you move faster and makes you a harder target. Always prioritize using cover, whether it's a wall, a vehicle, or even a small crate, to reduce the angles enemies can shoot you from. Precision aiming is paramount. Call of Duty offers aim assist, which subtly helps your crosshairs stick to targets. Learn to work with it, not against it. Spend time in the firing range to understand and control the recoil patterns of your favorite weapons. Furthermore, always try to pre-aim around corners or at common enemy positions, keeping your crosshairs at head height for quicker eliminations. To elevate your gameplay, cultivate strong map awareness. Constantly check your minimap for enemy pings and listen for crucial sound cues like footsteps or reloads. Effective communication with your teammates is also vital. Call out enemy locations and share information. These advanced tactics, combined with solid fundamentals, will significantly improve your performance and help you dominate the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.